सिचुएशन करेंगे हम लोग, एक एक सिचुएशन करेंगे। सिचुएशन ऐसा है कि ये रणधीर और रणवीर है ना। अ, अ, ऐसा इमेजिन करेंगे कि हमारी अनुराधा जो है, वो अनुराधा वो अनुराधा है ना, बहुत मोटी है। ओके, और बहुत काली है। ठीक है। और इन दोनों ने क्या किया, अनुराधा को जाके चिढ़ाया, मोटी भैंस मोटी भैंस। तो अनुराधा को आया बड़ा गुस्सा। अनुराधा ने आके कंप्लेन किया घर पे। ओके। तो ये कंप्लेन करेगी आके, तो ये करके आ गए कांड, चिढ़ा के आ चुके हैं। तो अभी अनुराधा आएगी और चिल्लाएगी घर के दरवाजे पे खड़ी होके। अभी घर के दरवाजे पे खड़े हैं तो ये फैमिली वाले लोग हैं ये सब। ओके। तो अभी फैमिली वाले लोग हैं। यहाँ पे अपन क्या करेंगे, संदीप सर को मम्मी बनाएंगे। ओके, संदीप सर आप मम्मी बनेंगे। ओके। नेहा मैडम आप पापा बनेंगे। ओके। और ये जो है ना, ये दो, ये किड्स रहेंगे। और ये जो रहेगी, इसको चिढ़ा के आए हुए लोग। ओके, ये बवाल मचाएगी, पब्लिक इकट्ठा करेगी, दरवाजे पे खड़े रह के चिल्लाएगी, और बहुत चिल्लाएगी। यस, योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ अनुराधा, गो अहेड। आपको डायरेक्ट शाउटिंग का सीन मिला हुआ है। 1 2 3 को जैसा बोलना है वैसा बोलो। टेक योर टाइम।
मम्मा वेयर आर यू? सर हंसी आ रही है,
नहीं,
एक मिनट।
आपको आंटी बोलना पड़ेगा ना, आंटी। आंटी, वेयर आर यू,
आंटी।
व्हाट इज
अच्छा,
दिस।
वो रणवीर और उनकी मम्मी है।
हाँ, तो वो मम्मी कौन है
ओके
मालूम है क्या, संदीप सर मम्मी है।
ओके।
ठीक है। तो आप दरवाजा खड़खड़ाओ पहले।
नॉक नॉक।
दरवाजा नहीं
Yes, who is
ओपन हो रहा
this?
है,
आंटी,
और गुस्से में।
ओपन द डोर। आंटी।
Yes,
रणधीर,
yes.
रणधीर, वेयर आर यू? Auntie, did you hear that? They tease me a lot.
Yes, Anuradha, tell me what happened.
What
नहीं,
is bad? If
बहुत चिल्लाओ, आप बहुत गुस्से में हो। ऐसे इतने प्यार से बात मत करो, चिल्ला के बात करो। What nonsense is this? Haven't you taught any culture to your kids? Do you know what your kids are doing? ऐसे चिल्लाओ। आपने अपने बच्चों को कुछ कल्चर नहीं सिखाया क्या, ऐसे चिल्लाते हुए, बम्बार्डिंग करते हुए। अनुराधा का सिस्टम ही हैंग हो गया।
It's a very difficult task, sir. It look easy but difficult as a modulation.
इंग्लिश में चिल्लाना है आपको अभी, डांटना है। अनुराधा कहाँ चले गए। अनुराधा डिस्कनेक्ट करके रिकनेक्ट करो। हाँ, अभी आ जाएगी वापस। तुम दोनों ने कांड किए हुए तो हंसो, मोटी भैंस बोल के आए ना तुम लोग। अनुराधा को चिल्लाने का टास्क इसलिए दिया है, वो अनुराधा है डेंजर सी जरा सा, लगती भी है ऐसे चिल्लाने वाली।
Aggressive.
है ये भी। अच्छा, मैंने ना आप लोगों को ये भेजा हुआ था, क्या बोलते हैं, इडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस। वो रट्टा मारना है देखो आप लोगों को। और अगर मैंने नहीं भेजा है तो मेरे को याद दिलाओ, मैं वापस भेजता हूँ। इडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस सभी रट्टा मारो। तकरीबन
I will just.
120 स्लाइड्स होंगे मेरे पास, मैं सब शेयर करता हूँ, रट्टा मारना चालू करो वो 120 स्लाइड्स। ये सुन रहा था, आपको बोलना है कि आपके बच्चों को आपने कोई कल्चर नहीं सिखाया क्या। क्या आपके बच्चे मुझे एक मोटी भैंस बोलते रहते हैं, कॉलेज में मुझे चिढ़ाते रहते हैं, समझ में नहीं आता है आपको, ये क्या बात हुई, ये कोई तरीका हो गया, ऐसा वैसा करके चिल्लाना स्टार्ट करो। 1 2 3 गो।
auntie, where are you?
Yes, Anuradha, tell me here only what happened.
They always tease me because they are always shaming my body. Why you didn't teach him how to behave with a girl, how to respect with a girl? They have to learn, and this is your duty to teach him to with how to respect girls. Whatever
How
she,
come?
how she looks, doesn't matter. if she is girl, they have to respect that girl. Didn't teach them?
Didn't you teach your
How
kids how
come?
to talk with the people? They are teasing me every
Yeah.
now and then in the college. Whenever I enter into the college, these people are shouting, "Moti bhais aa gayi, moti bhais aa gayi." What nonsense is this? Is this the way to, treat with the people? What kind of parent are you? Haven't you taught your kids how to react, how to talk with the people? What nonsense? Yes, madam. Sandeep, madam.
How come beta we given proper we given proper I'm not getting that. We given proper culture, you know. How come beta? What happened?
Appropriate.
Can you please,
Appropriate.
yeah, we given proper like appropriate. Sorry, sir, I'm not getting.
Uh, I'm extremely sorry, बेटे. Actually, ऐसा करके बोलना पड़ेगा आपको. I don't know exactly what the context is. Please explain me what happened. You started immediately bombarding upon me. I couldn't get what exactly do you want to say. What happened? Please tell me. Calm down. Have some water. ऐसा.
इतना लाइन तो नहीं आएगा आप तो खत्म कर दिए
Relax, relax, बेटे. What happened? Please tell me. I didn't understand on what context you are talking upon. Whom are you talking about? Are you talking about my kids? Please calm down. Have some water first of all. Please tell me now in that way.
Hello, beta. Like Anuradha, just tell me what happened. Can you please come inside, sit down, and take a deep breath?
I'm
No, what
not
happened? Tell
coming
me.
to sit down and drink water. Just go and ask your kids. Is it, I am telling, is it true or not? They always do
Yes,
like this
beta.
with me. Always, not once. Why always
Yes, beta. But you
targeting?
need to. You can you please brief me more about how happened, what happened? Because all of a sudden you start shooting at me. No, I'm not getting what is the exact contact. Can you please give more detail? No,
Whenever
why
I
they are
go college, they every day tease me. They every day shouting on me, motivates. What is going on? And how they behave, how they treat with people, and how will they become a good person in life?
अभी आप क्या करो मम्मी,
That
इनके कान कान पकड़ के बाहर खींच के लेके आओ इनको दोनों को. और इनके सामने इनको पूछो क्या हुआ, क्या बोल रही है वो दीदी, क्या बोल रही है. डांटो.
Randhir and Ranveer, can you please come out? Show your face. See here. Anuradha is complaining about you. You guys don't have any common sense how to behave with like girls. She is complaining about your.
why are you asking them? Ask me, I will tell you detail. They are not going to tell you anything. They always do and hide somewhere. They
Wait,
always
better.
do
Wait,
that.
let me call them. No, you can you can you can guide them right. What is missing there? Sorry. No, sir. It's very difficult task, sir.
आप है ना, अनुराधा को पहले चुप कराओ और बच्चों से पूछो. आपको पता करना है कि आपके बच्चे सच में ऐसे किए कि नहीं. अनुराधा को चुप कराओ पहले.
But sir, better you can give this rule to Nayas, right? They can fight each other.
अच्छा, पापा को बुलाते, पापा को. सुनो जी, कम हियर, यू डू लाइक दिस. अजी सुनते हो, जरा इधर आओ. देखो तुम्हारे बच्चों ने क्या गुल खिलाया है. ये इंग्लिश में बोलो.
Hello, Neha. Can you hear me? Please come here. Is Neha available in the call?
उनका नाम कुछ और रखना पड़ेगा ना, नेहा नहीं रखना. अर्जुन रखना पड़ेगा, अर्जुन. अर्जुन, please come handle this situation. I am out of this topic. I am not getting what to do. You please handle this. बुलाओ उनको.
Yeah, Arjun, where are you planning? Hi, Arjun, where are you? Can you please come here? Like Anuradha, like one
Okay.
of the girls came to our house and she's complaining about our kids. Can you please come here and manage the situation? It is getting out of control.
Okay. Tell me what happened.
We are just like communicate with Anuradha. She's having more complaint about your kids. Anuradha,
Okay,
you can start.
Anuradha.
Okay, now you don't
Tell
explain.
me what happened.
Anuradha, now you're not going to explain. Now the kids are going to explain to Mama what exactly the matter is. Kids are going to explain to Papa. Yes, kids.
Okay.
No, Mama. Although although she looks like fat, she looks fatty, but still we didn't tease him on that topic, like fatty buffalo. Uh, she's telling you lie. Yeah.
Father, you asked
Okay,
to
you
Ranveer
don't.
also.
Uh, okay, Ranveer, you tell me. Did Ranveer didn't do anything to Anuradha?
No, no, Papa. Randhir didn't told that, and also
Didn't
I didn't
didn't
told
say.
told
Didn't के बाद say आता
didn't,
है.
and also I didn't say him as motive is.
Anuradha, you become
If you
crazy now. You
had,
start shouting.
Uh, should I?
You become crazy now. Go out of control, become
Then
wild, and start shouting.
they are still lying. Whenever a person tease, they will come casually your home and tell you that your kids teasing me every day. Really, do you think that? And I am bigger than elder than these both kids. Still, they are every day used to shout and call fatty. Why this happening? And you are asking me, instead of asking me, you are asking to your kids. Why?
okay, beta.
And you are supporting to
For,
your kids.
firstly,
But you have
okay,
to
beta. Firstly, you have
control
to
your
come
kids.
down. Uh, I am asking both of you. You have tell all the matter to us. So
You have
I
told.
am asking my sons. You have told. You have told all matter to us. So I am asking my sons that what happened. If they lie to me, then I will punish definitely. Okay, you don't worry. I will take care of. I will look this matter seriously, and I definitely punish them if they had did it with to you or anybody. Randhir and
I
Ranveer,
will. I
have
will take
you
the
Yes.
did
cognizance of the
have?
matter. I will take the cognizance of the matter. Use this over here.
I will use the cognizance of the matter.
नहीं 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 नहीं.
Ranveer,
I will take the cognizance of the matter. मतलब मैं स्थिति का जायजा लूंगी. मैं सब पूछताछ अच्छे से करूंगी. तुम टेंशन मत लो. I will take the cognizance of the matter.
uh, Anuradha, I will take the cognizance of the matter. Uh, okay, you don't worry. You go home and I will look for it. Okay, Randhir and Ranveer, you come with me. I have to talk to you.
मैं
Okay.
तुम्हें विश्वास दिलाती हूँ.
Okay.
कल से ये बच्चे आपको नहीं चिढ़ाएंगे.
Okay, Anuradha, I will promise to you that they will not tease you from tomorrow. They will not tease you anymore.
I am just leaving this time only. In next time, I will not going to leave these kids. I will punish by myself only. I am warning you and telling you both in front of these kids only.
Yes, but if
Yeah.
they tease you, then you will definitely take action.